Hi everybody, I'm Jane, one of the Halo ambassadors. Welcome to the Pure Nails YouTube channel. We've got a really cool little video to show you today using the new Festival of Lights collection. I'm going to use 4 of the Festival of Light colours for this one. There are 6, but just for this one I'm just going to use 4. I am going to be using Serenity, which is like a little sparkly blue. And I'm going to be using Harmony, which is that lovely green. I'm going to be using Beauty, a lovely pinky colour. And I'm also going to be using Honesty, which is like a sparkly brown. I know a lot of you have been after these colours for a while, so let's get stuck in. So we're going to do just an alternative way of doing a snakeskin print, so using these 4 colours. So I've got my tip here, so all I'm going to do is really easy this, so I'm just going to pop on. We're going to sort of go sideways on, if that makes sense. So you can use as many or as few colours for this as you want. So there's no order to this. Just pop on your colours what you've chosen. Don't worry if it looks messy, all will be revealed. So we're going to go ahead with some Harmony now. So I'm doing stripes across. I think it looks nicer. So don't worry about overlapping on those colours, it's absolutely fine. A little bit of Serenity. This has got some sparkle in it, it's beautiful. So we're gonna go, where should we go? Just overlap that a little bit. Get any on your brush, just literally give it a little wipe. On some kitchen roll, you'll be fine. It'll soon come off. Go in with Beauty now. So don't be afraid to overlap on these colours. It doesn't have to be neat. Just give that one a wipe. Okay, so we've got our 4 colours on there. I'm just going to give that a cure 30 seconds. So that is now cured. So we're just going to go in and do exactly the same again, just with our second coat of colour. So just across. Don't worry about it not looking neat, it's absolutely fine. If it looks a bit messy, that's cool. All gonna add to the design anyway. Just such pretty colours, they're amazing. Really pigmented as well, so you have no problems with coverage with these. And last one. And go over that. Doesn't want to be super neat anyway, because this is going to be like a snakeskin effect, so if some are showing through, it really doesn't matter. Oops. I'm going to go in and cure that again, 30 seconds. Okay, so all cured with our 2 coats. So now we're going to go ahead and use our matte top coat. So matte top coat over this. I know we have some sparkles in here from that Serenity, but all will be revealed on this. So matte top coat over that. You can do this the other way around. I will show you, I'll explain to you what I mean. But for now, I'm just going to use matte top coat for this one. So I'm going to cure that one for 30 seconds. Okay, so we're all cured now. So matte top coat on there. So I'm just going to grab my little palette and white top coat. I'm just going to pop a little bit on my palette here. It's just easy to work from rather than having to get it out the bottle every time. So a good bit of top coat on there, because we're going to use this no white top coat to create the snake skin effect. So I'm just going to go in with a dotting tool, the smallish end. Yeah, I'm going to use the bigger side of this one, but it's not huge. Excuse me. So I'll go in with some of our no white top coat, and then we're just going to go ahead and make that snake skin pattern. So first one at the top and just move it across. So it's like a smooth rectangle. You can see that. And then we're just going to go ahead underneath, so leave a gap, and we're going to go and do that throughout the middle of this nail, all the way down to the bottom. So you can see that sparkle coming through there now. You can carry on down, getting slightly smaller as you get to the tip. Okay, so we've got our line down the middle there. We're just going to go ahead and do exactly the same down the sides. Obviously these are going to be slightly smaller, but go ahead and do these down the side. With your top coat, you're just kind of laying it on, if that makes sense. You're not pressing too hard down onto the nail. You're just sort of laying it and pulling it across. Turn this over. If you can hear my neighbour coughing. Sorry if you can. It's very hot today, so I've got my window open. My neighbour's coughing away. Nearly there. A couple more at the bottom. There we go. So there you got your little snaky print. So we're going to go ahead and cure that 30 seconds. And that is now all cured and done. So there is your snake skin effect, just done a slightly different way. Now earlier I said that you could do it the other way around, so you could actually, when you've done the two coats of your colours, you can do a no white top coat, cure it, and then the dots here, what are like the snake skin effect, you can do that in matte, so it's like opposite to what I've just done. So you can do that either way, but I just think it looks really cool with those Festival of Light autumnal colours in there. Obviously you can use any colours you want to, so have a go. Don't forget to post them on the page, we'd love to see your work. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you later.